This video will help you learn how to backup or restore your Basestation 1000 controller. Every controller that's connected to BaseManager gets a weekly backup without you having to do anything. When you're doing a major change to your controller or replacing controller components, it's a good idea to manually back everything up. Keep a USB drive in your truck so that you can back up every time you need. Controllers that aren't connected to BaseManager should be backed up with a USB drive on a regular basis. There are several methods to back up or restore your controller. The first one to look at is backing up while you're in front of the Basestation 1000 controller. Begin by pressing the System Setup key in the lower left corner, then navigate to Backup and Restore, and press OK. The first option is USB Backup. When I press OK, the controller tells me to insert a USB drive. To connect a USB drive, open the controller door, and on the back of the display panel, insert a USB drive into the socket on the back. Close the panel and see that backups 1 through 5 are empty. With backup 1 highlighted, press OK. Give it a moment. Now I have a backup on October 1st of 2020 at 9:10 a.m. When you're complete, press Run to return to the main screen. To restore from a USB drive, press the System Startup key, navigate to Backup and Restore, then press OK. Next, open USB Restore. As long as the USB drive is plugged in, I can choose any restore point. Highlight backup number 1 and press OK. Now I get to decide if I want to restore programs or restore programs and the configuration. Today I'm going to choose Restore All and then press OK. My restore is now complete. I also have the option of backing up to BaseManager if my controller is connected to a network. This works well if you forgot to bring a USB drive with you to the controller site, just as long as the controller is connected to BaseManager. One other option is to back up while I'm at my office away from the controller through App Manager. Begin by opening a web browser and going to baselineapps.net, then log in with your username and secure password. This time we're not going to open BaseManager, but instead open Admin Tools, so scroll down to find it. We have several options, and since I'm working on a Basestation 1000, I'll click on Manage Basestation 1000s. If you have multiple controllers, you'll need to select one of your controllers out of the lineup. Click on the controller from the list to see the different options. If you scroll down, you'll find Backup Programming. Clicking on the blue Backup button starts the backup process, and as soon as it turns blue again, it's complete. To restore programming through the Admin Tools, click on the drop-down, find the restore point, and then select Restore. Backing up your controller data is a good practice and can save you from extra work in the future.